Hi students, good morning. And today we are going to complete the method of finding out mean through two different methods, and one would be assume mean method and the second would be the step deviation method. The good news. The good news is that the step deviation method is not there yet. I will tell you the step deviation method also, just in the case if you feel like using it, you can, because it is also known as shortcut method, and then the choice belongs to you. So if you would remember, हम लोगों ने कल के लेक्चर में किया था डायरेक्ट मेथड. What was in direct method? There was this class interval. ये frequency distribution table था. There was this class interval. We find out the class mark, which is nothing else but is the midpoint, and then we calculated this into the frequency, and then the formula was x bar is equals to sigma fi into xi upon sigma fi, and that is how we found out the mean of these terms. But problem is, कभी कभी जब इतनी बड़ी terms होती हैं multiplication में, तो things gets a bit more complicated. So what are we going to do today is we are going to solve this question, that is question number 1, with the help of direct method as well as with the help of the assume mean method. Then we are also going to do the second question through the direct method as well as assume mean method, and let's see which one is faster. And then I am going to tell you the step deviation method also. So the lecture might be a bit more, on the lengthier side. So without wasting time, let's start. So the question number 1 is, मैं एक ही टेबल के अंदर दोनों के दोनों मेथड करूंगा आपके लिए. So सबसे पहले मैंने लिखा क्लास. So there is this class. Then comes the word frequency, या उसी के साइड में मैं एक काम करता हूं, लिख देता हूं class mark. Post class mark, it is going to be the word frequency. Okay, so class mark is also known as xi, frequency is known as fi. Okay, now ये भी मैं डायरेक्ट वाले मेथड से कर रहा हूं, एंड देन हम वापस से assume mean वाला आपको पहले सिखाऊंगा. So class, एंड यहां पर आ जाएगा आपके पास में fi into xi, that is multiplication of this into this. So let's write the class. So class is 20 to 30, then comes 30 to 40, then comes 40 to 50, then comes 50 to 60, then comes 60 to 70. Correct? Now class mark is once again 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Sir, but how did you find out the class mark? It's very simple. This plus this upon 2. So 50 upon 2 is 25, 70 upon 2 is 35, 95 upon 2, 90 upon 2 is 45, 110 upon 2 is 55, and this is 65. Okay. Then frequency. So let's copy the frequency. So frequency would be 25, then comes 40, then comes 42, then comes 33, and then comes 10. Right. Now for sigma fi xi, 25 into 25 will become 625. यदि मैं multiply करूँगा, 35 into 40, 4 5s 20, 0, 2, 12 into 14, right? So it will be 140. Sorry, it will be 1400, because 4 times 5 is 20, 0, 2, 4 is 12 is to 14, 140, and last में एक और 0 आ जाएगा. Then comes 42 into 45. So let's do it in the rough work. So 45 multiplied by 42. So it will be 2 times 5 is 10, 1, 9, 0, 2 times 16 and 2 is 18. So this part will become 0, 9, 8 and 1. So it will be 1890. 1, 8, 9 and 0. Then comes 55 multiplied by 33. So 3 times 5 is 15, 5, carry, 15 and 1 is 16, then cross, then it comes now 5, 6 and 1. So it will be 5, 6 and 5, 11, 1, carry 1, 6 and 1, 7 and 1, 8, and then it's 1815. So it will be 1815. Guys, as you know me, Do check it for the part of calculation mistakes. If I have done somewhere, please bata dena. 650. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out sigma fi xi. So let's add up 5, 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 2 and 1 is 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 and 5 is 18, 8, 1, 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 4 is 11, 11 and 8 is 19, 19 and 8 is 27, 27 and 6 comes out as 33. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 4 and okay, so now you can see that sigma fi xi has come down to 6380. Now after adding all this, when we have got 6380, तो अब आपको मालूम है कि x bar का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Very simple, it is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, which should be equals to, that is 6380 upon 150. So 0 0 cancel. 15 4 times is 60, 338, 15 2s is 30, right? 8 80, 15 5s are 75. So approximately 42.5 would be roughly, the answer of this particular part, right? So I'm not calculating up to 2 decimal places. If you want, you can, but this would be the answer. तो यदि हमारा आंसर इसके बाद में यदि अज्यूम मीन से भी सेम आता है या 42.4 या 42.5 के आजू बाजू आता है, दैट मीन्स वी आर राइट. नाउ लेट्स सी, ये तो हो गया डायरेक्ट मेथड. सो डायरेक्ट मेथड के अंदर आपने देखा कि आपने नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया था जो कि थोड़े बड़े नंबर्स थे. नाउ देखते हैं कि अज्यूम मीन मेथड से हमारी लाइफ थोड़ी सिंपल होती है क्या ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा जल्दी होता है क्या? सो लेट्स सी. सो आई एम ओनली रबिंग दिस सेक्शन. I am not changing the table now. I'm still, leaving this particular table over here. Now let's see. So class mark frequency, यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया, that is di, which should be equals to xi minus a. मैंने यहाँ a पहले से मार्क करा हुआ है because actually I did again a calculation mistake as usual, and while calculating I came to know that there was a mistake, so I had to rub all that board. Anyway, what is di now? Now this di is known as deviation. Deviation का मतलब होता है ओरिजिनल वैल्यू से आप कितना लेफ्ट या राइट में हो. What do you mean by a? A means assumed mean. Okay, so di is deviation and a means assumed mean. Now what and how to find out di? di के लिए मैंने a लिखा है और मैंने यहाँ पर एक वैल्यू चूज कर ली. आप बोलोगे सर लेकिन ये वैल्यू चूज कैसे करनी है? आमतौर पे ये नॉर्मली आपके टीचर्स बोलते होंगे कि ये वाले वैल्यूज आपको सेंट्रल रखना है, विच एब्सोल्युटली दे आर राइट. आप कोशिश करना कि मिडिल वैल्यू को आप लो, बट इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी गाइस. इफ समबडी वांट्स टू टेक a as 35, their answer will come absolutely right. If somebody wants to take a as 55, their answer will also come, absolutely same. So right now I have purposely taken the middle value ताकि सिमेट्री रहती है आंसर में. अब मुझे करना क्या है? A assumed mean, di deviation, xi ये वाले टर्म्स हैं, which is the class mark. So अब जब मुझे di कैलकुलेट करना है तो 25 minus what is a? 45. 25 minus 45 is minus 20. So let's write it this. 35 minus 45 is minus 10. 45 minus 45 is 0. 55 minus 45 is 10. 65 minus 45 is 20. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, जो भी क्लास मार्क है उससे अज्यूम मीन को एक एक करके माइनस करते जाओ. दिस माइनस दिस लिख दिया, दिस माइनस दिस ओवर हियर, दिस माइनस दिस ओवर हियर, दिस माइनस दिस ओवर हियर, दिस माइनस दिस ओवर हियर. राइट, नाउ यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट fi di. जैसे आप fi का xi से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, अब आपको fi का di से करना है. तो व्हाट इज fi? 25. 25 into minus 2 is minus 500. 40 into minus 10. Now you can see the calculation becomes much more easier. 42 into 0 is 0. 32 into 10 is 330. 10 into 20 will come out as 200. गॉट इट? नाउ सिग्मा एफ आई डी आई, अब सिग्मा एफ आई डी आई का मतलब क्या हुआ? इन सबका सम करना है, तो सम कैसे करूंगा? वेरी सिंपल, दैट इज 900 and then 330 plus 200 is 530. So 0, 10 minus 3 comes out as 7, 8 minus 5 comes out as 3. So it will be minus 370. तो ये आ चुका है minus 370. This is the answer. मैंने पहले पॉजिटिव वाले नंबर्स एक साथ ले लिए, फिर नेगेटिव वाला ले लिया, फिर जो भी बड़ा नंबर था उसमें से इसको माइनस कर दिया. सो मेरे पास में नेगेटिव माइनस 370 आया. Now this sigma FIDI is minus 370 and sigma FI is 150. अब यदि आपको फॉर्मूला लगाना है x बार का, क्योंकि हमें तो मीन निकालना है, तो मीन निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है a प्लस d बार और x बार इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस सिग्मा FIDI अपॉन सिग्मा FI. वेरी सिंपल. बस इस बार FIXI की जगह पर FIDI और बस a को ऐड करना है. सो x बार का फॉर्मूला कितना आएगा? a की जगह पर आपने क्या वैल्यू अज्यूम किया था? 45. सो लेट्स राइट 45 प्लस सिग्मा FIDI इज माइनस 370 अपॉन सिग्मा FI इज 150. सो 0 0 कैंसिल. सो कितना आ जाएगा? x बार इज इक्वल्स टू 45 and then comes minus, plus into minus is minus, 15 twos are 30, बचा कितना? 770, right? 15 fours are is 60, so 15 twos are 30, 770, then comes 15 4 times is 60, that is 10, and then 15 6 is 90, so approximately 45.2.46, right? So let's subtract this. 45 minus 2 करूंगा तो it is 43. 43 minus 0.446 will be what? So इसको minus कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर. So that is 45.00 minus 2.46. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. यहाँ पर आ चुका है 4 minus 2 is 2 and 42.54. So this is 42.54. Now if you can see, वहां पे अपना इसके पहले आंसर आ रहा था 42.5, यहाँ आंसर आ रहा है 42.54 बिकॉज मैंने वहां एक ही डेसिमल लिया था, यहाँ 2 डेसिमल लिए. इफ यू वांट टू रिमूव इट, दिस इज द आंसर. So if you can see, the question is actually much more simpler because the calculations become so simple, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to solve question number 2 once again with both the methods and let's see, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है एग्जाम में आप उससे करना. बट यदि एग्जाम में लिखा हुआ आया that you have to solve this question with the help of assumed mean method, guys, unfortunately then there is no other choice. Okay, now और मैं इसी क्वेश्चन को आपको स्टेप डेविएशन से भी बता दूंगा. दो स्टेप डेविएशन इज नॉट ओवर देयर इन योर syllabi this year, but of course in the year 2021 and 22 I'm sure this method is going to be over there. So let's rub this question. By the way, fun fact आपको बता दूं, ये क्वेश्चन करते करते मैंने 2 बार चेक किया और मैंने 2 बार चेक करने के बाद में भी मेरा आंसर तब भी प्लस में गलत आया. So by the way, I just want to tell you that teachers are not gods. Though we behave like one, but we are not gods. So हम भी गलती करते हैं. So guys, chill and relax. It's okay. Mistake करना ह्यूमन की आदत होती है और मैं तो लगता है सुपर ह्यूमन ही हूँ क्योंकि सुपर मिस्टेक्स करते रहता हूँ. Anyway, so question number 2 now. Let's write age in years. So age, okay, in years. So I'm writing in years over here. अब मेरी राइटिंग कितनी सुंदर है, आई नो गाइस, कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So 18 to 24, then comes 24 to 30, then comes 30 to 36. उस दिन एक स्टूडेंट ने कमेंट किया, सर आपकी ड्राइंग इतनी सुंदर है. मतलब गाइस कम ऑन, झूठ भी बोलो तो देख के तो बोलो, ड्राइंग सुंदर है. मतलब दिस कुड बी द वर्स्ट जोक ऑफ द सेंचुरी गाइस. वो भी मेरी ड्राइंग सुंदर है. ओहो, इमेजिन कर लेती मेरी कहीं आर्ट टीचर्स यहाँ पर अभी कहीं होती, वो बोलती कौन है ये स्टूडेंट. Okay, so now I have written out all the tables. So let's check once again, because मैं तो आप जानते हो guys mistakes का महान भगवान हूँ. So 18 to 24, 24 to 30, 30 to 36, 36 to 42, 42 to 48, 48 to 54. At least क्वेश्चन तो सही लिखा मैंने, तारीफ भी नहीं करते लोग. खैर, now guys I need to find out the class mark. मैं शॉर्टकट में लिख रहा हूँ. So class mark, that is by the way frequency, or in simple words it is Fi, correct? Oh sorry, this is not frequency. Class mark is Xi, right? So let's write it. So it is 6, then comes it is 8, then it is 12, then comes it is 8, then comes it is 4, and then comes it is 2, right? Now अब इसके बाद में आप क्या लिखोगे? This is your Xi. Let's write frequency. Now what is frequency over here? That is, मैंने फिर से कुछ गड़बड़ी कर दी ना guys, ignore. Class mark is by the way the middle number of this, that is this plus this upon 2, right? So 24 plus 18, so 24 plus 20 is 44, that is 42. 42 upon 2 is 21. मैंने क्या किया? This plus this upon 2. So 4, 8 and 4, 12 का 2, carry 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 4. 42 का half करूँगा तो 21. 30 plus 24 is 54. 54 upon 2. 54 upon 2 comes out as 27. 36 plus 30 is 66. 66 upon 2 is 33. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. So guys 42 plus 36 is 78. 78 का हाफ करूंगा तो आ जाएगा मेरे पास में 39. Then comes guys 42 and 48. 8 plus 2 is 10. So it's 90. So it is 45, I guess. Then 48 to 54 का guys आ जाएगा आपके पास में 10 4 12. And यहाँ पर 5 and 5 10. So it is 102. 102 का आधा would be 51. Now guys let's check whether we have done it rightly or wrong again. 18 and 24 के बीच में 6 का डिफरेंस था, यहाँ पर भी 6 का डिफरेंस है. So the class size is 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6, right? इसका मतलब यदि आप सही हो तो इनके बीच में भी यदि ये आपका जो इंटरवल है यदि कंटिन्यूड है, then the difference should also be 6. So 21 plus 6 27, 27 plus 6 33, 33 plus 6 39, 39 plus 6 45, 45 plus 6 51, and we are right, hopefully. Okay, now let's write frequency. So frequency is 6. Let's write Fi over here. 6, 8, 12, 8, 4 and 2. And let's do the part of sigma Fi. So what is sigma Fi now? 8 and 6 14, 14 and 10 24 and 2 26. 26 and 4 is 30, 38 and 2 is 40. Okay, so ये आ चुका आपके पास में frequency. Now post this particular frequency, अब क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? Very simple, पहले हम direct method से कर रहे हैं, बाद में हम assume mean से करेंगे. So मैं यहीं पर ही direct method के लिए क्या करूँगा? Sigma Fi Xi, right? अब जब Fi Xi से करूँगा तो 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12, so that is 126. 8 5 are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 8 7 क्या होता है 56. So 56, 6 carry 5, 8 to the 16 and 5 is 21. We'll check it once again. 33 into 12, so let's do this part. 33 into 12, 6, 6, 3 and 3, so it's 6, 9, 3, 3, 9, 6. Then comes 39 into 8, 9 into 72, 72 is 2, then comes 7, 8 is a 24, 24 and 7 is 31. 4 into 5 is 20, 0 carry 2, 16 and 2 is 18. 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s is 10. So it's 102. Did you understand this? Hopefully you should. So 126, 216, 396, 312, 180 and 102. Let's check it. 2 times 1, 2, 2 5s are 10. 4 5 is 20, 0, 2, 4 4 is 16 and 2 18, 9 8 is 72, 2, 7 8 is 24 and 7 is 31. 33 into 10 comes out as 330, 330 plus 66, 396, which is right. Okay, so 8 for the 40, 8 for the 48, 8 for the 56, 6, 5, 16 and 5, 21, 6 and 2 is 12. Guys, why am I checking again? Not because I do make a lot of mistakes, but because guys, इसमें calculation mistake होना बहुत common है, so don't worry. So this is sigma fi xi. Let's calculate now sigma fi xi, and this should be equals to 6 3 is 18 and to 20, 22, 2, यहाँ पर 2, 2 3 4 5 6 9 and 6 15, 15 and 8, 15 and 5 20, 23 3. So 2, 2 and 1 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 1 13, 1 3 3 2. So if I need to calculate now x bar, it should be equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. It should be equals to 1332 upon 40. So guys, 0 यदि मैं हटाऊंगा तो यहाँ पर डेसिमल इधर पे आ जाएगा. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. 2 6 are 12, 1 2 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 12 again. 2 1s are 2, so its answer is 33.3. Now guys, I don't know whether this is right or wrong. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to find out the di and the FIDI right over here. So let's calculate the di, which is equals to xi minus a, and let's calculate the FIDI also here over here. तो यहाँ पे हमें अपनी गलतियां भी मालूम पड़ जाएंगी कि whether the answer is right or wrong. So let's check. xi minus a, अब क्लास मार्क में से किसको मैं a ले लूँ? I can take this, I can take this, I can take this. So जो भी बीच में पड़ रहा है रैंडम नंबर ले लो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So मैंने थर्ड ले लिया. आप चाहो तो इसको भी ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, आंसर तब भी आएगा. So यहाँ पर xi minus 33 है. 21 minus 33. 3 minus 1 comes out as 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is minus 12. 27 minus 33 is minus 6. 33 minus 33 is 0. 39 minus 33 is 6. 45 minus 39 is 12. Right? No? Okay, let's check. So 15 minus 9 comes out as 6. And of course 3 minus, yeah, it is 6. So 45, okay, I'm sorry. So 5 minus 3 comes out as 2 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is plus 12, 45 minus 33. 51 minus 33 should be 18, 11 minus 3 is 8, 4 minus 3 is 1. So if you can see this, ये आपका वही 6 6 का डिफरेंस वाला टेबल ही चल रहा है. So ये आ चुका. अब सिग्मा fi di, so fi into di. So 6 into minus 12, minus 12 into minus 6 is minus 72. 8 into minus 6 is minus 48. 12 into 0 is 0. 8 into 6 is 48. 4 into 12 comes out as 48. 2 into 18 comes out as 36. Right? Now let's rub this section so that we can find out our FIDI. So if you can see, these calculations have become much more simpler. Sigma FIDI, and it should be equals to, let's add up all these three. So 8 plus 8 comes out as 16 and 6 is 22, 2, 2, 4 and 2 6 and 4 10 and 3 13. So it's 132. While यहाँ पर ये आ रहा है आपके पास में 8 and 2 is 10. Carry 1. So it's 8, 8 and 4 is 12. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आंसर 3 minus 2 is 1 and of course so it's minus 12. So this is minus 12 over here now, right? So अब मेरे पास में FIDI आ चुका है. Now what is the formula of x bar? It should be equals to a plus sigma FIDI upon sigma FI. और आप DI bar भी लिख सकते हो. So what is a over here? 33 plus यहाँ पर आ चुका है ब्रैकेट, that is minus 12 upon sigma FI is 40. Right? So let's solve this. 2 6 are 12, 2 20 times, 2 3 times, 2 10 times. So it is equals to 33 minus 3 upon 10. सॉल्व करूंगा तो 10 माइनस 3 कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास में? मैंने वैसे माइनस क्यों लिया यहाँ पर? क्योंकि यहाँ माइनस था, which is right, because 12 into 6 is 72 and 6 into 8 is 48. Okay, so 8 and 8 16 and 6 22. 22 is 2, then 4 5 6 and 4 10 and 3 13. So it's 132 minus 120 plus 12 आएगा guys, sorry यहाँ पर plus आएगा, so it's plus. So 33 plus 3 upon 10, so it will be 33 plus 0.3. So answer will be 33.3. So if you can see guys, both of the answers are right. That means अपना वाला आंसर चेक भी हो गया और दोनों मेथड भी आ चुके हैं आपके पास में. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll tell you the step division method tomorrow once again. Today we'll complete this question number 3, which is very, very important. Let's understand. So how will we solve question number, the next one, that is the third one? So let us see. Question number 3 says mean of the following data is 42. So they have given you x bar is equals to 42. Find the missing frequencies x and y if the sum of the frequency is 100. So sigma fi should be equals to 100. Okay. Now class interval कितना देखा के रखा हुआ है? So let's find out class interval. तो यहाँ पर है ये आपका 0 to 10, then दिया था 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. This is the class interval. Now you need to write frequency. So this is पहले तो class mark निकाल लेते हैं. So class mark should be equal to this plus this upon 2. So 10 upon 2 is 5. 30 upon 2 is 15. That is 25. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. That's the midpoint, right? Now, यहाँ पर मैंने निकाल दिया कौन सा वाला टर्म, that is frequency. Fi कितना देके रखा है? यहाँ दिया है 7, then comes 10, then comes x, then comes 13, then comes y, then comes 10, then comes 14, and then comes 9. Let's find out FIXI. So what is FIXI? यही आपका क्लास मार्क जो होता है XI होता है. So 7 into 5 is 35. 10 into 15 is 150. Right? 25 into X is 25X. 35 into 13 is 35 into 10 is 350. 35 into 3 is 105. Okay, so 350 plus 105 is 455, hopefully, but I'll not take a chance, so I'll just do the multiplication. 35 into 13, so it's 15, 5, carry 1, 9 and 1 is 10, 5, 3, so it's 5, 5, 4, so it's not bad. Tukka sahi lag gaya guys. Anyway, so 45 into 5 is guys 45y. 55 into 10 comes out as 550. 65 into 14 guys, so it's very simple. 65 into 10 is 650 or 65 into 4 is 65 into 2 130 hota hai 260, so it's 650 plus 260. So 0 1 1 7 and 9 910, but to be doubly sure let's check 910 आ रहा है वैसे मेरे हिसाब से. 65 into 14, 0, 2, 24 and 2 is 26, then comes 5, then comes 6, so it's 0, 1, 910. So this would be 910. Then 9 into 75 guys, so it's 75 into 9. 9 times 5 is 45, 5, 4, 63 and 4 is 67, so it is 675. So this is the terms now. Now let's do sigma fi. Now guys, they have already given you that sigma fi कितना है? 100 है. बट क्या हमारे हिसाब से भी 100 आ रहा है? सो लेट्स चेक. यदि मैं ऐड करता हूं इन सब को, तो पहले तो ये x और y को एज इट इज लिख देता हूं. x plus y plus how many numbers are there? 17. 17 plus 13 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 50. 54. 54 and 10 is 64 minus 1 63. Let's once again check it. 17 plus 13 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 and 9 49. 49 and 10 is 59. 59 plus 4 is 63. And this is equals to what? That is sigma 100. क्योंकि आपने बोला है कि इसका टोटल 100 आ रहा है, बट हमारे हिसाब से तो x plus y plus 63 equals to समथिंग. सो मैंने दोनों को कंपेयर कर लिया, क्योंकि ये गिवन दिया हुआ है बट ऐड करने के बाद में ये आ रहा है, तो दोनों को कंपेयर किया. सो x plus y should be equals to 100 minus 60 is 40. 40 minus 3 is 37. So this is my equation. So x plus y should be equals to 100 minus 60 is 40 minus 3 37 हो गया. Then comes sigma fi xi. But how do we calculate sigma fi xi? No, we don't have x and y. No problem guys. Let's add up. So पहले numbers को add करते हैं. So 5 plus 0 is of course 5. 5 plus इसको add मत करना. Don't add this क्योंकि यहाँ पर x है. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 इसको add मत करना. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 का 5 carry 1. 3 and 1 4. 4 and 5 9. 9 and 5 14. 14 and 5 19. 19 and 1 20. 27. 27 का 7 carry 2. 2 and 1 3. 3 and 4 is 7. 7 and 5 is 12. 12 and 9 is 21. 21 and 6 is 27. 2775 plus ये दोनों नंबर्स छोड़े हुए थे आपने, that is 25x plus 45y. Right? So guys, we don't know technically that what is the sigma fi xi, but उन्होंने आपको मीन देके रखा हुआ था, और मीन कितना दिया हुआ है? x bar is given to you as 42. ये गिवन है. फॉर्मूला क्या होता है x bar का? सिग्मा fi xi अपॉन सिग्मा fi. करेक्ट? सो दैट मीन्स मैं पहले यहां पर इसको पहले फिर से चेक कर लेता हूं एक बार. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 15. 5 carry 1. 3 and 1 4. 4 and 5 9. 9 and 5 is 14. 14 and 5 is 19. 19 and 1 is 20. 27. 7 carry 2. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 4 is 7. 7 and 5 is 12. 12 and 6 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So it is 2775 plus this. ये क्यों नहीं ऐड किया सर आपने? बिकॉज इसकी वैल्यूज मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है. अब जब मैं इनको लिखूंगा तो इट विल बी सिग्मा fi xi should be equals to 2775 plus 25x plus 45y. So this is the part, right? Now this should be equals to sigma fi xi. So this will be 2775 plus 25x plus 45y whole upon, and what is sigma fi? Sigma fi तो आपको दे के रखा था 100. सर लेकिन आपने 100 क्यों पुट किया? Why are you not putting this equation? See, because यहाँ पर भी unknowns थे, तो जब मुझे known चीज मालूम है तो उससे क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँ? 42 दिया हुआ है, so let's do the cross multiplication. 42 into 100 is 4200, right? It should be equals to 2775 plus 25x plus 45y. So ideally if you will see this, अब आप इसको जब माइनस करोगे तो 10 minus 5 comes out as 5. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. Then again 11 minus 7 is 4, 11 minus 7 is 4, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1425 मेरे पास में आ रहा है. Okay, 1425 should be equals to 25x plus 45y. Did you understand this? So let's now try and write this equation once again over here so that यदि आपको नहीं दिख रहा हो नीचे से, so 1425 should be equals to 25x plus 45y. सर तो आप क्या करेंगे, तो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. और गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. सो ये आपकी बन चुकी है. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. से 5 कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा आपके पास में 5x प्लस 9y, क्योंकि मैंने 5 कॉमन निकाला और कट कर दिया इससे. 5 2 times is 10, 4 42, 5 8 is 40, 2 25, 5 5 is 25, right? So ये मेरे पास में आ चुकी है इक्वेशन नंबर 2. और what's my equation number 1? x plus y is 37. So let's write 37 should be equals to x plus y, and this is my equation number 1. So ये बन चुका क्वेश्चन आपका लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल्स का. Let's start solving it out. Multiplying both the sides by 5, तो ये आ जाएगा 5x 5y, 5 7s is 35, 3 5 is 15, and 3 is 18. Let's check 37 into 5, 35 5, 15 and 3 is 18, so it's 185. अब जब ये दोनों इक्वेशंस आ चुकी हैं, let's subtract it. Minus 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 5x and 5x is cancelled. 5 minus 5 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. 100 should be equals to 9 minus 5 is 4y, or y should be equals to 25. If y is equals to 25, then put it in any of the equations. So मैं इसमें put कर देता हूँ. So x should be equals to 37 minus 25. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So x की value 12. And this is my answer for x and y, that is 12 and 25. So ideally, this completes the 3 questions. So hopefully you should have been able to understand the assume mean method as well as the questions like this, जिसमें missing होगा. आपको केवल एक ही ट्रिक ध्यान रखनी है गाइस, पार्डन मी, मिसिंग हो या नहीं हो नंबर, यू हैव टू डू योर वर्क. अब अपना काम मत छोड़ना. आपको मालूम है कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन में मुझे करने के लिए सिग्मा fi xi अपॉन सिग्मा fi निकालना है. आप उतना करोगे, आंसर लाओगे, इक्वेशन बनाओगे, सॉल्व करोगे, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस once again for being with me. My name is Gautam Jain, and I do not know why do I keep on repeating every single time at the end of the video. So love you guys, enjoy, keep smiling. That's the most beautiful asset you have got. And guys, spread positivity everywhere, wherever you feel, meet people are